This is MCG text teardown of the Dell Dimension C521. This model featured an AMD Sempron CPU and Windows XP. I picked this up for $10 from the house of a smoker, so it needed a good cleaning. I started by removing the side panel. This was done easily by pulling a lever on the top of the case. Naturally, it was filled with dust, so I decided to start cleaning it out. I began by disconnecting all the power cables. I then attempted to unscrew the heatsink. Sadly, my screwdriver was too dull, so I had to switch it out for a sharper, much more manly screwdriver. Next, I began to remove the graphics card. However, as I removed the graphics card, the plastic bolts which were holding the heatsink in place broke off. In the future, I plan to fix this. I then started unscrewing the power supply and the optical drive. Once all the screws were removed, I popped the optical drive out. Once the heatsink was removed, the AMD Sempron 3400 Plus, clocked at 1.8 GHz, was revealed. After a little bit of cleaning, everything appeared to be in good condition. Next, I removed both 512 MB sticks of RAM. I then removed the line card. After the line card was removed, I then took the motherboard battery out, which I tested, and was dead. Finally, I removed the last part of the heatsink, allowing the motherboard to be removed. Before going to sleep, I gave it one last cleaning. The next day, I removed the front fan, which was incredibly dusty. After After some light washing, it came out fine. The power supply was then slid out. In conclusion, I am a fan of this computer's form factor and will probably upgrade it to 8 GB of RAM in the future and possibly a quad-core CPU. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.